Look at that. And because it's vegan, I don't feel any guilt about slathering more butter on these steaks. And I actually have melted the butter and dipped steak pieces into this melted butter, and it adds such a richness and flavor. Looks ready. I'm going to plate this, put it on a plate. Okay, for the vegan butter, we're going to start with about 1/3 of a cup of solid coconut oil. I just sort of stuck a knife into the container to break it up and then measured out 1/3 of a cup of the solid coconut oil. Now, coconut oil is really hard and firm when it gets cold out, so we're going to soften this with a little bit of oil, any kind of vegetable oil that you might want. And I'm putting in maybe a teaspoon. Add a very small sprinkle of salt, just a tiny sprinkle, not even a teaspoon. I'm going to use the microwave for this. So melt this in the microwave I'm actually going to melt it in my air fryer, so it takes a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, but just get it melted. So now butter is made up of fat, milk, and a small amount of solids. So now we're going to put, for the yellow color and a little buttery flavor, a teaspoon of chickpea flour for the yellow color and flavor, and stir it to dissolve in the liquid coconut oil. And just keep stirring until it's thoroughly dissolved. Then next I'm going to add in coconut milk for a richer taste. There's a tablespoon. And I'm going to use some sweetened almond milk. If you don't want to buy all these various ingredients, you can just add a small amount of powdered sugar and just use an unsweetened milk. But here's a tablespoon of sweetened almond milk. And that is it. We have melted butter right here. And look, it's very smooth. It looks just like butter. So I'm going to put a lid on this. And then put it in the refrigerator to harden. Here's the finished butter, solid, as you can see. Oops. And we will just scoop out a little piece, spread it. It's creamy. It tastes just like butter. It has that fresh, creamy flavor, a little bit sweet, just a tad bit savory. It's really good, and you should definitely try this.